Buying a home is one of the most important decisions in life. Interestingly, many buyers spend more time comparing layouts and amenities instead of understanding the factors that actually determine how a property performs in the long term. That is why, before choosing any residential project, and today, that is exactly what we are going to discuss. The first thing buyers should evaluate is not just the project, but the developer's planning approach. A well-planned development usually reflects clear location selection logic, thoughtful community design, future-ready infrastructure, thinking structured execution, partnerships. Modern residential communities are not just buildings. They are environments designed to support everyday living for years to come. That is why understanding the planning approach of a project is more important than simply comparing features. The second important factor is connectivity. A strong residential location ideally provides easy access to major roads, connectivity to employment zones, future metro expansion, potential proximity to upcoming infrastructure projects. Infrastructure plays a very important role in shaping long-term property value. Many of India's fastest-growing residential areas were once emerging corridors that developed alongside infrastructure. Infrastructure growth is not limited to roads. It includes expressways, metro connectivity, airport expansion, commercial hubs, educational institutions surrounding residential ecosystems. When these elements begin developing together, the entire location starts transforming, and this transformation directly influences property value. Across India, most successful residential locations follow a common pattern. They grow alongside infrastructure expansion. As connectivity improves, travel time reduces accessibility, increases employment zones move closer, daily living becomes easier. This naturally increases residential demand. And when demand increases, property value begins to strengthen. Today, another factor is becoming increasingly important: environmental quality inside residential developments. Modern homebuyers are now asking questions like, what is the air quality inside the community? How is water management planned? How much open space is available? Whether the environment supports comfortable long-term living. Luxury today is not defined only by interiors. It is defined by the quality of environment you live in every day. And this shift is changing residential planning across India. Community planning and everyday livability beyond infrastructure and connectivity. The everyday living experience inside a community is equally important. Today, buyers are choosing developments that offer balanced open spaces, well-designed layouts, community interaction areas, environments that support families across different age groups. Because a home is not just a place to stay, it defines how comfortably you live over time. Forward-looking developers usually evaluate infrastructure pipelines before selecting project locations. They do not focus only on present-day demand. Instead, they study how the location will evolve over the coming years. This ensures residential communities are positioned in areas where growth continues over time instead of remaining static. And this is the difference between short-term development planning and long-term residential strategy. Subscribe to the One Global Developers channel to stay connected with insights on modern residential planning, infrastructure-led growth corridors, and future-ready living environments across India.